Good morning, world. Today is a day that I have never seen before, and I am thankful and grateful for the air in my lungs, the blood running through my veins, all of my limbs working in good order. I am grateful. I am thankful. I am healthy and whole. I can just feel today is going to be a good day. Good things come to me easily without any stress. I love my life. Life is unfolding wonderfully. I just trust my guidance. I am grateful for today. I can feel my mood changing, my energy rising. I send out good energy, and good energy comes back to me. I treat others as I wish to be treated, and goodness comes back to me. I am so thankful. Goodness and mercy follows me all the days of my life. I am part of a whole body. I'm not alone. God placed his spirit within me, and I am grateful. I am thankful for what's going to happen today. Good comes to me. When I pray and ask, I believe that I have it. So I am thankful now. I am present now. Life is good. Today, I am open to all of the abundance that comes to me. I'm a money magnet. I don't have to worry about money, for I create money. Energy. Energy. That's all money really is energy. And I vibrate in good energy, and good energy comes back to me. I circulate my money, and my money comes back to me, bringing more. I am blessed to be a blessing to others. It's not dependent on what I see, but what I think. I am what I think. I'm a creator.